How to make crunchy cauliflower and tomato salad. 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons white wine vinegar, 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice or more to taste, salt and ground black pepper to taste, 1 large head cauliflower, chopped small, 1/4 cup minced red onion, 1/4 cup minced fresh parsley, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved or more to taste. Directions: whisk olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, salt, and pepper together in a bowl until dressing is smooth. Mix cauliflower, red onion, parsley, and garlic together in a large bowl. Drizzle dressing over cauliflower mixture, toss to coat. Gently fold tomatoes into salad. Chill salad in refrigerator up to 3 hours before serving. Thank you for watching my channel.